What's up? What's up, everyone? Uh, got this Investors Business Daily newspaper. This is my introduction to day trading, stocks and bonds, investing, day trading, swing trading, stocks, bonds, forex trading, doing long-term investing, shorts, investing in the bear market. So let me introduce myself. My name is Jerry, and a lot of people have been asking me to actually do a video on day trading, and a lot of our people, they came up to me, and a few of my friends, they gave me the moniker Jerry the Day Trader, because I always used to talk about day trading. I always talked about investing in the stock market, putting your money into companies, instead of complaining about the gas prices. You need to, buy stock in Exxon, buy stock in Chevron, buy stock in if you're complaining about the food prices, buy stock in, or buy commodities in the beef industry, buy commodities in gold, buy commodities in silver. So let me, I'm going to give you a quick introduction about me. And again, my name or nickname Jerry. Well, my name is Jerry. Nickname is Jerry the Day Trader. I had a lot of nicknames growing up, but a lot of my friends, they starting to call me Jerry the Day Trader, because, like I said before, people have been coming up to me lately in 2016, and they've been asking me to teach them how to trade. I don't, some people said I don't even know how to open up a trading account, or who should I open it up with. We're going to get to that in some more videos, but let me introduce myself. I was born in New York, Western New York. That's upstate. That's the frozen tundra, as they say. So that's Rochester, Buffalo. So I'm more west of New York, going towards Niagara Falls and Toronto. I was born there. Went down to Georgia at 6 months old, and been living back and forth, New York, Georgia. My dad is from Georgia, and my mom's she's from New York. So I had the best of both worlds as far as growing up, being in the city and being down south, and cutting wood, feeding chickens and stuff like that. So I had the best of both worlds, and I'm glad of that. But I started really getting interested in trading, and in the 7th grade, and it was so funny. I got interested in trading down in Georgia. My dad wanted us to go down to school down there for a year, just to experience the schools down in the South. And it was one time a person came to one of the classes, and he just started talking about stocks and bonds, investing, and looking in the Wall Street Journal, and picking a stock and saying, okay, pick a stock and say, which stock do you think that's gonna go up or blow up in the near future. And I had picked S&E. That was Sony, and at the time it was only like $5 back in the days. And eventually, as the stock has been a monster. So ever since then, ever since the 7th grade, I had bought this book called Beating the Streets, and I had lost the book in my later teen years. And then when I got my 20s, and after I got my daughter, after the birth of my daughter, a few years after, I started back, you know, between the 7th grade and then after my daughter being born at maybe 4 or 5 years old, I started getting interested in hip hop, and I lost track of. Now I didn't lose track of stocks. I mean, I still followed the stock market, but I never invested any money or anything. But when she started getting older, and I started, realizing, hey, I need to take this money and start investing and start saving for her for school, and start saving for her. I started getting serious. That was when I started, about 29, 30 years old. I opened up a Scott Trade account. I say about 32. I opened up a Scott Trade account, and I didn't know what I was doing because I didn't study. I thought, okay, I'll just pick a stock and it'll go up. The wrong stock. One of the stocks I did pick was the airline stock. This is like right before September 11th, and the stock just ate up my account. So the reason why I'm shooting this video is, number one, to introduce myself. Number two, and this is my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I got to make this disclaimer because, as usual, the Securities and Exchange Commission and the federal government, they want you to tell people that I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I going to give you financial advice or tell you that you got to pick this stock, or it's in your you take all your money and put your money on this stock or anything. No, what I want to do is teach people how to open up an account. First of all, I want to teach people about the stock market, about Wall Street, about the difference between bulls and bears, longs, shorts, stocks, commodities, forex trading, and also Bitcoin, because that's the future. Bitcoin is going to be the future because that's that Bitcoin is just digital currency, because everything is going to be digital. Everything is just going to be numbers where, they're just going to punch a key, and, you can have 9 zeros in your account, or you could have 1 zero in your account. So, digital currency is the future, and the Bitcoin, that's something that, we're going to discuss, I'm going to discuss in later videos. So, this is my opinion, that I think day trading or swing trading or trading, hopefully part-time or full-time, it'll be the best benefit for you and for my people, because my people, it says in the Bible, it says my people perish for the lack of knowledge, and they don't study. A lot of our people, not all of our people, but a lot of our people, we don't study. We don't get books about the stock market. We think it's always boring, but then when you see people driving with Ferraris or Lamborghinis, you ask, man, how did you get that? Or you ask a woman, how did you get that? And they say, hey, I'm a day trader, and I'm independent. I'm an independent day trader. An independent day trader meaning that they do their trades at home, or they might have an office like this environment right here. They study the market, or they study the company, what they're going to trade. They might say, this is a good company. I want to go long on it for the day, or I might swing trade it for a couple of days. So day trading, to me, and like I said, this is just my opinion. Even Tim Sykes, even Sal, the penny stock millionaire, I follow him. He does his thing full time, and like I said, it's all independent. The reason why I think day trading is best for our people, because first of all, it's independent. You could be an independent day trader. You can You can make tons of money. You can lose tons of money. I'm not gonna sit up here and say, you're gonna become a multimillionaire. I want you to, now I do want you to put that in your mind that you are a multimillionaire already. But I'm not gonna sit up here and say, everyone that I talk to, they're gonna be a multimillionaire day trading. Some people might blow their account. And when we say in the day trading circles, when we say blow your account, that means, you wipe your account out, and, never day trade with money that you are going to, that you need, like, for rent, for food, for lights, for gas. Take some money, put some money aside and say, hey, this is the money I want to save. This is the money I want to day trade, or pick some stocks that I want to grow my account with. So, never trade, or never swing trade, or never invest with money that you say that you're planning on keeping a roof over your head with. So, like I said, the best thing for people to be independent, because with day trading, you can definitely write it off on your taxes. With day trading or swing trading, or being an independent day trader, man or woman, no matter what race, creed, or color. But right now I'm speaking to my people, because as African Americans, a lot of us are scared to day trade. We buy Nike sneakers, and I'm talking even to the teenagers. I'm talking to you teenagers. Get into penny stocks. Get into stocks that you can, not just penny stocks. You can get into mid-cap stocks. You can get into large company stocks like Disney, Nike. You buy Nike all the time. Apple, Microsoft, Walmart. Who else? Like I said before, U.S. Steel, Exxon, Chevron. You can get into the also get into not just the Exxon and the Mobil as far as gas and oil and stuff like that. You can get into renewable energies, as far as wind turbines, stocks. It's just so many different sectors and so many different companies that you can get into. Emerging markets, that means markets that's overseas, like India, Africa, China, that's coming up, that's going to be, world superpowers. Maybe that's going to surpass the United States of America, as far as capitalism. So, like I said, day trading, swing trading, forex trading, commodities trading. That's going to be if you want independence. And like I said, in my opinion, if you want independence, or you trying to set up an arsenal where you can say, hey, if my family needs, if my mother needs a car, or one of my family members, if they need a computer, and I can, if I can help them, I can just go out and buy it, and you probably can write that off on your taxes. Just get a financial advisor, or one of your tax accountants, and ask them, what can I write off as far as my expense account, as far as being an independent day trader. You want to set up an S corp or C corp or LLC, as far as your day trading. That'll be beneficial for you. And just like I said, the number one opinion as far as being your own day trader, being an independent day trader, is the independence, the freedom. With day trading, once you do it full time, you can say, hey, I got 6 figures in my account. I'm going to spend 30 days in California. While you spending those 30 days in California, you're day trading. You say, hey, I got family in California. I'm gonna spend 30 days over there, and while you're over there, you can network with other day traders or swing traders over there. And for those 30 days or, during the week, or you could trade 2 or 3 times during the week, or you could trade all 5 days of the week, or you could trade with Forex. You could trade from Sunday. Forex, you trade from Sunday. The market's open in Forex at 5 o'clock Sunday East Coast time, and they end. It's a 24 from Sunday night, 24 hours. Sunday night, Monday night. Sunday night, Monday morning, Monday night, Tuesday morning, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, Wednesday night, Thursday morning. So it's from Sunday, 24 hours, all the way to Friday, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can trade for it. You can have a regular equities account, stock market, a Wall Street account, and you can have a Forex account where you're trading foreign exchange. That's 24 hours, 6 days a week. Let me see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 6 days a week. And then with the Bitcoin is 24/7 because it's digital. So, like I said, with day trading and with stock trading, it's so amazing what you can do. You can you can be in Spain. You can you can say, hey, I got 5 figures in my account right now. I might want to just take a trip for just a week or two. Nothing expensive. Just to go over to Spain and see how, or go to France and see how, how they just the vibe over there. I just want to chill out over there. You could take your laptop, and they have the World Wide Web. The internet access is everywhere. And if you have most hotels have internet access in their computer rooms, and they're fast. Some hotel rooms, they're kind of slow, but if you ask them if they have an office or something like that, usually their office, if you go into a hotel, their office room computers are a little bit faster than the wireless access points that are in the hotel rooms. So, like I said, the independence just to say, hey, man, I'm going to go to Africa. I'm going to go to Ghana. I'm going to go to Ghana for 2 months. I'm going to trade. I'm going to take my laptop, my trading laptop, and I'm going to take it over there, and I'm going to trade for about 2 months, make some more money. I'm going to trade the Forex markets for a couple of months and come out with more money. I want to go. I'm gonna stay in Japan, for a couple of weeks. I'm gonna go to Korea, where they make Nikes, or wherever they make the Nike sneakers at. I'm gonna go over to Korea, and while I'm day trading, I can go invest in some, buying some Air Jordans, or invest in going to get some Nikes over there, bring them back over here and sell them. I mean, it's always, it's always multiple streams of income when you start to day trade, and when you start to become independent, when you start to do it full time. And that's just I have a love-hate relationship with it. I love to make money. I hate to lose money, but then I hate to I hate to be in front of a computer all day, because with day trading, sometimes with day trading you could be in front of your computer when you're starting to trade live. You can be in front of your computer maybe an hour or two, or sometimes it might be 5 hours, might be 8 hours, it might be 1 hour. You might get into a good trade. Once you get into that good trade and you win that trade, it's best to get up and say, hey, I won that trade, I'm done. That's one lesson I was taught by when I worked at this company called Theodore Capital and back in Rochester. If you win the trade and you pull the trigger and you make money off that trade, just get up from the desk and you make your money and you leave. So, like I said, this is just an introduction to me, Jerry, the day trader. You'll be hearing more from me. I'll be making more videos, and I'm going to eventually, I'm putting this on my channel, on this channel right now, but I'm going to eventually be making Jerry the Day Trader YouTube site, Jerry the Day Trader, maybe Instagram, Jerry the Day Trader, other things that social media, uh, as far as that was a trade. I mean, an alert I just got. Hold on. Let me tell them to hold on real quick. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. I lost my train of thought, but yeah. As far as my introduction, again, I'm Jerry the Day Trader. I'd like to say thanks and peace to and blessings to the Creator, because he gives us a mind to say, hey, we can be independent. We don't have to be slaves to the things that we don't have to be slaves to. I want to say thanks, peace, and blessings, and ashe and shalom, and just salutations to Red Pill and Blue Pill. I met them at the Black Power Awards. I want to say peace and blessings and salutations, and may his family be blessed, to young Pharaoh. He was real cool, real down to earth brother when I met him at the Black Power Awards. He was just man, he was just a positive brother. I met some other people at the Black Power Awards. I want to say peace to Sister Cassandra. She's a real nice sister, and I met I think it was Hustle University, and I'm sorry to get back with you, brother. He wanted me to get with him about, probably talking to people about setting up an account, day trading, swing trading, investing, and stuff like that. But Hustle University, I am going to get in contact with you. I want to say peace and blessings to everybody that was at the Black Power Awards, everyone that I see out in the streets. And like again, I'll these companies that I'm going to mention maybe in the future videos, the companies, the platforms, and the different entities. They don't pay me, and if they do, I'll tell you. If they say hey, unless they tell me not to tell anyone that they're going to pay me, but they don't pay me. I'm just, this information is free. I mean, a lot of the stuff is in the libraries. A lot of the stuff is on ebooks now. So, get into day trading, especially our people. Please start getting into day trading. Start investing. Start, even if you work at Burger King or McDonald's, you can day trade. It's possible now where you can day trade now. It's possible. The commissions, there's so much discount, so many companies that offer discount commission and commission-free day trading, and some companies offer $1 per trade going in and going out. It's for the common man now. Back then, buying stocks and bonds, it used to be like $20 to get in and $20 to get out. So, the rich, they used to just buy stocks. And not just the rich, but it's a lot of people that they got into just buying stocks, buying and holding companies, and passing the stock, because stocks used to be offered in certificates. They used to be like paper. It used to be. The stock certificates looked at like awards basically. They look like if you look at maybe the foreign currency, and the stock certificates used to be in the shape of it used to be a square shape, like just like a diploma, and it just had fancy fancy company logos, and uh, calligraphy, if that's the correct um, word for that. But now, I don't think they, I gotta check on that. But I don't think they issue the paper stock anymore that that you own a certain amount of shares in a company, because everything is digital now. They're trying to save on paper. But you know, invest in your future, invest in your family, invest in your future. Like I said, get into stocks and bonds, get into trading, get independent, get where you can, whenever you want, if you want to buy a car and you say, or you want to just flip cars with your stock money, you can flip cars with your stock money. Say, hey, I'm gonna get this $500 car, I'm gonna fix it up for like $200, and I'm gonna try to sell it for like 1,200, you know, 1,400, 2,000. So, it's different ways, different avenues to make money. It's about probably like 3 o'clock in the morning. Um, I got this Investor's Business Daily. Actually, this Investor's Business Weekly. Um, and I usually get this. I go to Barnes and Nobles, and I'll get my stock books. This is Stock and Commodities. Sometimes they'll send this to me in the mail, and this has different um, articles in it. And as far as like this article right here, I don't know if you can see that, but it says shoot. Okay, how much can I really make from trading? And it's just an article where you can it'll tell you or it'll give you advice on how much you can really make, because you can make a lot. You can make a lot in trading, and you can lose a lot in trading. So, I'm giving you I'm giving you the basics of trading, about um, the financial gains and losses of trading, because you might have uh, you know 2 months of winning trades, and then one day you could have a losing trade. So with your losing trades, you want to lose as less as possible, because you're gonna have a losing trade. You're gonna have a losing trade, no matter what. I've had losing trades. So, but again, get into day trading, get independent, uh, set yourself up so you can, whenever you want to travel. I'm a type, I'm me, I love traveling. I don't know why. I think I got it from my dad, because he traveled so much, going back and forth from New York to Georgia. And then we did it as when we were kids. So I just love traveling. I love seeing different places. It's some people that they never move out of their city. So with day trading, you can say, hey, I'm going to Toronto. In the summer, it's kind of cooler up in Toronto in the summer. You know, so I mean, they still get heat and everything, but I want to go to Toronto. I want to go to Mexico and trade. I want to go down to Brazil and trade for for a couple of weeks. While I enjoy the sunshine. Or I want to go to Brazil. Like the past Olympics, that was in 2016 in August. Um, the Olympics. In July and August, you could have went to the Olympics and still did your day trading, and saw some of the Olympic trials, and the competition. And that that sums up my introduction. And I'm Jerry, the day trader. Um, right now, as far as my email account, I just want to get everybody's interest in day trading. And once I set up everything as far as uh, jerrythedaytrader.com and or Gmail or whatever, I'll give everybody the information. I want to start doing stuff live, so I can show people. I'm going to do screen captures, or live screen captures, so people can see what I'm talking about while I'm teaching. So peace and blessings. And if you want to comment, you can comment. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. If you can, give me a like, a thumbs up, and I really appreciate you. Peace.